I have made a number of videos about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. I absolutely love my Pocket 3 and use it pretty much every day. There's a link down in the description below to all my DJI Pocket 3 camera videos, and while I've been making them, I have filmed the camera from lots of different angles and directions. And I have to keep finding these shots for my Pocket 3 videos. So I thought, why not share the footage in case you wanted to see what the camera looks like to hold. Like a POV shot of what it's like to film things with the DJI Pocket 3 camera. This is my collection of Pocket 3 video beauty shots. Okay, I've got both cameras running. Here's a test. I'm going to try and put the Pocket 3 on this magnetic mount onto the flagpole thing here. It works. Oh my god! I don't like my £600 camera just on there. But I've set the monitor to go off, to turn itself off. I don't know if it will. I'll just wait for it. I'll just get this shot. Here we go. It survived the Royal Festival Hall. We'll see how that shot comes out. But this cage, so I'm raving about the camera, but I think this magnetic cage, this magnetic mount from FLYMILE, I think this has changed everything for me. I just need some kind of protective weather hood for it. There's always one thing that you haven't got, isn't there? Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is a slightly unusual video. This is to add to my videos all about this, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm recording this on my selfie screen on my phone, so the picture is going to be awful, but I wanted you to see the rig up that I have today just to test out. I've got an ULANZI FALCAM backpack clip and a FLYMILE cage, magnetic mount cage for the DJI Pocket 3, just to show you how this backpack clip can help. So I've got loud trains behind me. Wow. I'm running the Pocket 3 at 4K and 24 frames per second, just to give it a little cinematic look. I've also tucked under here, I've got the Creator Combo. So under here is the DJI Mic 2. So I'm hoping that I'm using that as the sound that you can hear now. per second. This is 24 frames per second. This probably doesn't look great. This is the shot that we want to be seeing. I'm going to stop my phone now, clip you on and take you along for the ride. So there's like a plate on the back. Oh, it's not very straight, is it? I'm not doing it very tight. That could be interesting. And it just slots onto this backpack clip. I'm trying to do it while I'm holding the phone at the same time. Sorry about the noise.